It's a
Ah,
gadget, especially for women and even for men. Because I
oo,
remember one of my bosses bought a galvanic spa. He's a
oo,
male. He's a male
oo.
actually. He's my former GM.
And what happened? What
I
happened?
I
Oo.
had sold to him a galvanic spa to be able to do away with the wrinkles on his face,
Oo.
even on his belly, and even
Oo.
on the legs.
I'm Dina Loomis. Welcome to the Leader's Edge. And we are now episode 7 of our season 21. And I have a very special guest, Dan Vega. Dan, please introduce yourself to our audience. And by the way, he's going to talk about beauty and wellness. Dan, take it away.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening. I am Danilo Fajardo Vega. I'm residing here in Silang, Cavite. I'm actually a retired employee from Nestle, where I spent 20 years. After which, I spent a lot of and I held positions as plant manager of other factories.
Now, Dan, defined by early retirement, you mean, it means before 60, no? So mga 50, you already retired. Ganon ba?
Mm. Yes, that's
Okay.
right. That's right,
Oh,
Miss Dina.
oh,
Actually,
now
I
I'm
retired
curious.
at the age of I
Um,
think okay, I retired at an early age of about 46 because
oh,
by then I
okay.
wanted to apply
Yeah.
for a position in Canada, but
Oh,
unfortunately, it did not push through. And after early retirement from Nestle, after spending 20 years with Nestle, there was an offer for me to hold the position of a plant manager in Cagayan de Oro
uh,
at the Limquetcay Manufacturing Corporation in Cagayan de Oro. So I grabbed it then, and then afterwards, after that, I held on to other plant positions, plant manager positions in other factories.
oh, all right. Well, so we have some similar similarity in background kasi I also retired very early. I believe mga before my
Mm-hmm.
50th birthday, but to put up my own company, no?
Uh-huh.
So
At least yes, that's good for
oo.
you.
So ito ang na-notice ko, Dan, you seem to have so much more energy than other people your age, no? So yeah, talagang na-notice ko 'yan. So what is it that drives you? Ano yung
Thank you for that.
motivation? Yeah, ano yung motivation mo na why is it that now you even have more energy than what you had before? Ano 'yon?
Well, actually, probably it's because I still have to uh, hold myself still very much fruitful, especially for my family,
Yeah.
especially that I have already three apos. I have to
Mm,
also provide for my family.
mm.
And then that's why probably even at this time, I'm still quite busy with other part-time jobs. Like I do have some consultancy jobs in the manpower, um Manila-based manpower agency, as
Mm.
well as this you mentioned earlier the beauty and the wellness uh, products that I try to sort of sell and entertain out of New Skin Enterprises.
Oh, all right. Yeah, I tried New Skin. many years ago. It's just that I got too busy.
Uh-huh.
I had to drop it kasi matagal na because I just could not find time for it
Uh-huh.
anymore. So I'm amazed that you're still able to find time for that. Wow. So, how long, how many years have you been doing the new skin?
I think about 2 years ago now, I
Mm,
think early February 2023, I
mm, mm.
started with New Skin. I started as a brand affiliate, and
Oo.
then at least, but still, I cannot yet move on to the next higher position because, of course, it's definitely depending on how much sales or
Yeah.
people that you are able to come to
Mm,
invite into the New
mm.
Skin enterprise to
How
patronize
much,
the products.
yeah, how much time do you devote to the manpower agency?
Uh-huh. For the manpower business, actually, I'm doing a part-time job as a consultant. But there are times that I go to clients and I also go to meetings with the bosses at the Manila office.
Oh,
But not really that much of time. That's why
okay.
I'm having a lot of more time for other
Yeah,
activities.
that's why you are healthier than most people because I read many times no in medical journals that
Yes,
people who
ma'am.
retire early and they just rest, they just sit in the rocking chair at home, they have the tendency to grow old faster
Yeah, that's
and
right. That's
get
very true.
sick
Yes, that's
and
very
get
true.
sick and die earlier. So I
Yeah.
suppose then you are doing the what we call the longevity factor, the model of the longevity, meaning the more involved you are with your hobbies or your
Yes,
newfound
yes.
career, the the longer is your life, the healthier you will be. You agree with me, Dan?
I think that's very true, Mama Miss Dina. Especially with the social media nowadays, that you're able to interact with your previous friends, high
Oo.
school classmates,
Yeah.
even elementary classmates, and even my fellow colleagues at work at Nestle and in the other factories that I manage.
Yeah.
These are the things that makes probably me feel
Mhm.
younger than my age at 70.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember, I
Oo.
just had
Oo.
my birthday last November, my
Yeah. Yeah.
70th birthday.
Well, talagang happy birthday and I know you will have many more birthdays to come. So Dan, what is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
message? Kasi marami sa mga kabayan natin, and not in only here but abroad, no? That people immediately want to retire and then they are wondering why is it instead of enjoying the retirement, they start feeling sick, they start feeling older, and no energy. So, so what is your
It's
message to?
because,
Oh,
yeah, probably it's the activity that you do every day,
ah,
even your styles of living.
okay.
Like one of the probably my secrets would be that firstly, I do not smoke.
Oh,
I do
good.
not drink also.
Yeah, yeah.
Only 2 bottles of beer is already enough for me. And then I
Okay.
don't have any vices as well.
Yes, yes, yes. I
I
agree.
also
I
do
agree.
little walking around here in the subdivision at almost twice a week. 30
Oh,
minute walk. That's good enough at
oh,
least
okay.
to exercise my legs and
Yeah.
my body.
How about food? Well, what kind of food or diet are you having on a daily basis?
Okay. Whereas before I do eat a lot of rice and you know,
Oo.
but now I have to regulate my carbo intake
Yeah, yeah,
because I'm
yeah.
also having a sort of a uh, I just had an angioplasty in 2019, so I have to
Oh,
reduce on my food intake and
yeah.
choose the food that I have to lesser sweets and lesser
Yes.
other
Yes.
carbohydrates rich
Oo.
food.
Well, glad to know that, Dan, no? Because it's a good message to our viewers out there that just because they have decided to retire does not mean they stop altogether activities and hobbies. They can
Yes, yes, yes.
come up with other things. In fact, ang nabasa ko pa, no? Ito, even gardening, even you do gardening, that is still good, no? You're doing it daily. That is
That's
still
good.
good.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yeah.
but just do not sit down and rock in and just sit down and TV viewing the whole day. No, no.
That cannot be. That
That
cannot be.
cannot be. Okay,
Especially
that's
nowadays that the
uh,
social media activities are very much,
uh,
interacting with your old friends, with your
yes,
old work colleagues,
very good, very good.
even on a
Okay,
daily basis, even on daily messages. This
yes,
means a lot for me,
yes,
and I think
indeed.
also for them as well. For
Yes,
them as well.
indeed. Indeed. Oh, okay. So, um, then what? How about travel? You do you? I believe
Come
you.
again, Ma'am Masdina. I didn't.
I believe you mentioned no na sometimes you travel to Manila even though you are there. Cavite ka, no? Right
Yes,
now. Oh, but now and
yes,
then you
yes,
come over to
yes.
Manila, no? So, how often do you come to Manila?
Well, during these past few days, because of the Christmas season, there
Yeah,
are a lots of reunions
yeah.
that are quite held in Manila. Just
Oo,
the last weeks, we have plenty of reunions in high school,
oo,
reunions also with workmates.
oo,
Just the other day, we had a reunion with my colleagues from Nestle here
oo.
in Nestle Kabuya. So
Yeah,
normally, I would have my youngest daughter get me to a uh, van station where I can ride going to Manila or a bus ride. And then in the evening, she fetches me up at an area where she could pick me up
yeah,
to go home.
yeah. Well, that's good. That's good kasi mas maganda na rin yung may kasama ka rin, no? So that's good. It's good to hear. So, what are your plans for the future, Dan? Kasi right now I can see dalawa yung new interest mo in life. The manpower, business, and then
Yes, ma'am.
the beauty and wellness products, which are the new skin products, no? So, do you?
I'm trying to
Oh,
be also successful in this the training business that I also had. I'm partnering with Southeast Asia,
okay.
uh, using my former colleagues,
Yes.
former you know,
Yeah.
so that at least I can still make myself busy, and of
Yes.
course to
Yes.
earn
Uh-uh.
little bit from all of these undertakings, from
Wow.
the beauty and wellness,
Oh, yeah,
from the
yeah, yeah.
manpower.
Okay. Good for you, Dan.
Uh,
Good for you. See, ladies and gentlemen, you see, Dan has not stopped, no? I mean, he is, the way I see it, Dan, you are really living a good life right now, no? Yeah. And
I think so too. I think so,
yeah, look,
especially
what,
with my family.
oo, among the
My
products of the new skin, what can you recommend to our viewers na madali nilang gamitin and it will help them with their wellness? And then, ano yun naman yung for the beauty na palagay mo, mai-recommend mo sa viewers natin? So what are these products?
Well, one of the few products, actually, the New Skin has a lot of products, but
Yeah.
one of the most significant products that I could recommend would be the Galvanic Spa. This is what they call the wrinkle free gadget, and also
Oh,
what's the other guy?
ano yung galvanic spa?
I
Yun
forgot the
yung,
other. I forgot the
oo,
other.
oo. The spa is it's a tool. It's like that
Yeah,
they
it's a
use.
gadget actually.
Gadget is a gadget,
Yes,
gano'n.
yes. It's
Ah,
a gadget especially for women and even for men, because I
oo,
remember one of my bosses bought a galvanic spa. He's a
oo,
male. He's a male
oo,
actually. He's my
oo.
former GM.
And what happened? What happened to
I
him?
I
Oo,
had sold to him a galvanic spa to be able to do away with the wrinkles on his face,
oo.
even on his belly, and
Oo.
even on the legs.
Okay,
Yes,
number
ma'am.
one yan, no? Kasi that's really good. That's really good for men and women. Now, how about the wellness? Ano yung mai-recommend mo wellness product? What are the wellness products of New Skin that you can highly recommend to our viewers?
Yeah, huh?
Ano yon?
For the wellness, one of the things that New Skin recommends is this uh, ultraviolet water purifier, the Ecosphere ultraviolet water purifier. It has a four-system means of purifying water so that your tap water coming from your faucet, you can have to pass it through that Ecosphere UV water purifier, and
Okay.
there out there you would
Mm,
be having good drinking water, safe
mm,
drinking
mm.
water.
Well, yeah, that sounds
That's a very good product of New
yes,
Skin.
yes. Oo, that's one, no? So, name one or two more before we close. Para at least our viewers will have something to think about and then they can connect with you, no? They can connect with you.
Mhm.
Mayroon ka
Well,
bang
there are a lot of other products.
oo, oo. Mayroon ka bang
Come again, ma'am. What?
do you have a Facebook page that they can go to so they can connect with you?
I can connect. They can PM me, and then I can connect them and introduce them to my upline leaders, so that
Ah,
these are the ones that are very do good at doing these things of
yeah.
connecting
Okay.
and
Oo.
people who would want to make use of the new skin products.
Yes, yes, that's good. That's good. Then I like the way that you have never stopped growing, and I like the way that you mentioned how you are also partnering up with our consultancy and our training programs. So, by the way,
I hope
personally, oh yeah,
yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
definitely. Personally, ano yung pinaka favorite mo na product of New Skin? Ikaw, personally.
The galvanic spa. The
Ah,
galvanic spa for the wrinkle free.
how the how do you use it on a daily basis itong galvanic spa or how often?
N- Uh, actually, it can be used twice or at most times thrice a week, but not really daily.
Not daily, mga two
Not
or
really
three times.
daily.
Oo. 2 to 3 times a
Yes,
week.
yes.
Yeah, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
But you can also use that daily. I mean, you
Oo,
can still use it daily.
oo,
Anyway, it's a little bit handy, and you can bring it wherever you would want to bring it. It's
oo,
like having a spa at home that
oo,
you'll be able to use anywhere
oo,
and anytime you would want
oo.
to use it.
And I can see the logic no of New Skin having beauty and wellness products because I'm
That's
an
right,
image
ma'am. That's right.
I'm an
Very true.
image consultant myself, and I can tell you something. I noticed that among my clients, no, when they can see that they are looking good, they start feeling good, and when they start feeling good, they start doing good. So it is a chain. It's a chain effect, no? Na you look good. Now you
Yeah,
start
that's right.
feeling good. Okay, start feeling good, ka. And when you start feeling good, oh my gosh, when you start taking
Everything.
action, oh everything follows. Na everything also
Yes,
is
right. That's right.
talagang successful, no? You also do good.
That's
Yeah.
right, ma'am. That's
So
very
that's
true.
amazing.
That's
That's
very true.
amazing. Oh. So, of course, Dan, I want to thank you because I know that every day you have a lot of things going on in your life now. So I'm really appreciative of how you found time for this interview. But I really felt that I should I should really get in touch with you kasi ang dami mong ginagawa sa buhay mo that can help other people. So, Uh,
I hope they would be able to be,
yeah.
uh,
I asked you the question kanina, how they can get hold of the product is if they send you, meaning if they have to get, sabi mo i-PM ka, so meaning you have a Facebook page, is it under your name or under a company name? Under your name. So
yes, like that, ma'am. One of my first sort of customers was my GM, who bought the galvanic spa.
oo,
I think 2 years ago, 2 years
oo,
ago, and
oo,
he's actually using it up to now. And even the wife can even use the unit or the gadget
okay,
for herself. So
oo,
that's one. Another one is the one who bought. This is more for the
mm,
slimming weight loss
mm,
for somebody who's a little bit growing big and growing fat. A weight loss
oh,
scheme that this is the TRA. Uh,
so, oo,
so she's I also had one who bought one unit he's actually a former employee of mine at Nestle, but who is now residing in Switzerland, and he bought also one unit from me, and he's using it all there in Switzerland, and he was able to get it from New Skin in Switzerland, so no need for me to send the item to him, but it was delivered to him from New Skin in Switzerland. In all other 55 countries where New Skin has some the offices and
and
the
did you skin credit the sales to you? They credit it to
yes,
you. Ah,
it
wonderful,
did.
wonderful.
That's
Okay.
actually that's the
Oh,
reason, or
yeah,
one of the reasons of your sort of that you get from the sales of this item,
yeah,
that you are rewarded with
yeah, yeah.
uh,
Very good, very good. So, nakakita kagad ng improvement that the GM that you knew, he was
yes,
able to find improvement, and his wife, no? Tama?
that's right.
That's very nice. So it's good to hear that. So again, thank you for being part of our show here. And ladies and gentlemen, our next guest will be the director of Toastmasters International, distinguished Toastmaster Remy
It's
Ibay.
always
Oo. So siya ang next guest natin, but he will be talking about leadership and communication. And in the meantime, thank you so much to Dan, and a reminder to everybody, learning is a
it's,
never-ending journey with
it's
limitless
always a pleasure, Miss
vistas.
Dina.
Yes, thank you again, Dan.